Hello friends, myself Madhuri Pawar. My subject name is Pharmacology and Toxicology for Diploma Second Year students. My today's topic name is Epilepsy and Anti-Epileptic Drugs. Okay, in this chapter we will totally discuss about what is the concept of epilepsy, what are the various types of epilepsy, and management of epilepsy, that is anti-epileptic drugs and classification of anti-epileptic drugs and pharmacokinetic profile of these drugs. So let's see first what is meant by epilepsy. ओके हां, इपिलेप्सी हा टोटली सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीमशी रिलेटेड असलेला एक डिसीज आहे. सो इन द सिलेबस ऑफ फार्माकोलॉजी अँड टॉक्झिकोलॉजी इपिलेप्सी अँड अँटी इपिलेप्टिक ड्रग्स हा एक सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीमशी रिलेटेड सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीमच्या कन्सिडरेशनमध्येच येणारा एक मेजर चॅप्टर आहे. सो व्हॉट इज हिअर वी सी फर्स्ट व्हॉट इज मेन बाय इपिलेप्सी. It is one of the neurological disorders which is characterized by paroxysmal, short, recurrent, periodic attack of motor, sensory or psychological malfunction. Okay, epilepsy, it is one of the neurological conditions which is characterized by recurrent attacks or recurrent seizure. Okay, seizure, it is one of the similar word for epilepsy. These seizures are occurs due to brief disturbances in the electrical functions of brain. Okay, due to abnormal functions of brain, epilepsy occurs. Then epilepsy, generally it affects on all age of peoples. Okay, epilepsy सगळ्या प्रकारच्या एजसाठी किंवा सगळ्या पीपल्समध्ये अफेक्ट होणारा डिसीज आहे. देन हिअर वी सी द व्हेरियस कॉजेस विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू कॉज द इपिलेप्सी. दॅट आर फर्स्ट इज न्यूरोलॉजिकल इन्फेक्शन, देन like head injury, stroke, genetic basis diseases or brain tumors, then brain damages from pregenital or premature cases. So these are some of various types of factors which are responsible to cause epilepsy. So in this chapter, first we will see the definition of epilepsy and symptoms, causes one by one. So first, what is the epilepsy? It is one of the central nervous system or neurological disorders in which brain activity becomes abnormal and this causing seizures or periods of unusual behavior, sensation and sometimes loss of awareness. So anyone can develop epilepsy. So what is the etiology or reasons behind the epilepsy? So these are the brain conditions that may cause damage to brain, such as brain tumors, strokes can causes the epilepsy. Then stroke leads to cause epilepsy in adult older than age of 35, and infectious diseases. In case of infectious diseases like meningitis, which is also the one of another disease which is related with the central nervous system. Then also another infectious diseases like AIDS and viral encephalitis that also causes the epilepsy. Okay, then we will see what are the symptoms of epilepsy. Okay, ज्यावेळी एखादा पेशंट इपिलेप्सी डिसीज थ्रू सफर करत असेल तर what are symptoms are see in that patient. So these symptoms are like sudden twisting of arm and legs, then loss of consciousness also occurs in that patient, tingling sensation in the arm or legs, then stiffness in muscles of arm, legs or face. These are the some of symptoms of epilepsy. Then another symptoms like temporary confusion occurs in that patient, also staring problem, uncontrolled jerky movements, unconsciousness or unawareness. Psycho problems also occurs in that particular person. So when these symptoms are occurs in that person, it is considered as it is the patient of epilepsy. Then our next point is types of epilepsy. So let's see. Epilepsy generally divided into two main types, that is first is focal seizure or focal type of epilepsy, which is also known as partial type of seizure, and second type is generalized epilepsy. Okay, so these epilepsy which is divided into two major groups, that is generalized and partial or focal type of epilepsy. So in case of first type of epilepsy, that is generalized epilepsy, seizures are produced by widespread abnormal electrical impulses present throughout the entire brain. ओके, जनरलाइज टाईप ऑफ एपिलेप्सीमध्ये जे पण पिरियडिक अटॅक्स आहेत ते it occurs due to abnormal electrical impulses present throughout the entire brain. ब्रेनचा लार्जर एरिया आहे तो जनरलाइज एपिलेप्सीच्या केसमध्ये इन्फेक्शियस झालेला असतो, किंवा जनरलाइज्ड एपिलेप्सीमध्ये जे पण पिरियडिक अटॅक्स आहेत, सीझर्स आहेत, दॅट ते ॲबनॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्सेस हे ॲबनॉर्मली प्रोड्यूस होतात. त्याच्यामुळे टोटली इंटायर ब्रेन आहे ते इन्फेक्शियस होतं या जनरलाइज्ड टाईप ऑफ एपिलेप्सी या कंडिशनमध्ये. आणि सेकंड आहे मेजर ग्रुप एपिलेप्सीचा, दॅट इज partial type of epilepsy or focal or also known as localized epilepsy. In such a case, seizures are produced by electrical impulses that generate from relatively small or localized part of brain. Okay, as compared to generalized epilepsy, partial epilepsy आहे याच्यामध्ये सीझर्स आहेत ते जस्ट स्मॉल एरिया आहे ब्रेनचा तो अफेक्ट होतोय. Because of small area or it is localized part of brain, it is also known as focal type of epilepsy. Okay, then here we see the subdivision or subclasses of partial and generalized type of epilepsy. So first, focal seizure, it is also divided as a simple partial and complex partial. And second is it is a generalized seizure. It is also subdivided as a absence, myoclonic seizure, clonic, tonic, tonic-clonic and atonic type of seizure. Okay, this is the sub classification of epilepsy. Then let's see one by one the type of epilepsy. In that first type of generalized or tonic-clonic, in that grand mal epilepsy, which is one of the major type of epilepsy. In this type of epilepsy, the patient loses its consciousness and usually collapse. The loss of consciousness, it is followed by generalized body stiffening, that is called a tonic phase of seizure. Okay, generalized epilepsy. In case of grand mal epilepsy, patient loses its consciousness and it becomes collapse. Okay, due to generalized body stiffening. ओके, 3 फेजेसमध्ये जनरलाइज ग्रँड माल एपिलेप्सी आहे ती डिवाइड केलेली आहे किंवा एक्सप्लेन केलेली आहे. तर त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट फेज आहे दॅट इज नोन ॲज टोनिक फेज अँड इट इज कॅरेक्टराइज्ड बाय बॉडी स्टिफनिंग. ओके, देन बाय व्हायलंट जर्की मुवमेंट्स, दॅट इज कॉल्ड अ क्लोनिक फेज ऑफ सीझर. ओके, जर्की मूव्स होतात त्या पेशंट्समध्ये. Then after which third stage is patient goes into deep sleep, that is called a postactal stage or after seizure phase. Okay, in by these three phases, grand mal epilepsy it is identified. Then during grand mal seizures, injuries injuries or accidents may be occurs like tongue biting and urinary incontinence. Okay, this is all about grand mal type of epilepsy. Then second type आहे जनरलाइज्ड epilepsy मधलाच, जो की ॲब्सेंट सीझर आपण म्हणतोय त्याला. सो इन केस ऑफ ॲब्सेंट सीझर व्हॉट हॅपन्स, absence, that is also known as petit mal type of epilepsy. So in this epilepsy, brief loss of consciousness just for a few seconds and with few or no symptoms. Okay, लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस त्या पर्सनमध्ये होतं आहे, पण इट इज फॉर अ फ्यू सेकंड अँड दिस in such a case, patients typically interrupts an activity and stares blankly. These seizures begins and end abruptly and might occur for several times a day, and patients are usually not aware that they are having a seizure but may have feeling of losing time. Okay, just कमीत कमी वेळेसाठी किंवा ओनली फॉर फ्यू सेकंड ॲब्सेंस सीझर्स ॲब्सेंस टाईप ऑफ एपिलेप्सीमध्ये सीझर्स किंवा पिरियडिक अटॅक्स येऊ शकतात आणि तो पर्सन आहे तो इट्स totally loses its consciousness, and this type of attacks may be occurs for several times a day. So this is all about absence seizure. Then our next type is clonic seizure. In this type of epilepsy, repetitive and rhythmic jerky movements are occurs that involving both sides of body at the same time. Okay, this is known as clonic type of epilepsy. And in case of tonic type of epilepsy, the symptoms like muscle stiffness and muscles rigidity occurs. Okay, muscles stiffness and muscles rigidity, that type of असे जर सिम्टम्स दिसत असतील तर त्या पर्सनला आपण टोनिक टाईप ऑफ एपिलेप्सी याच्या अंडर कन्सिडर करू शकतो. देन नेक्स्ट आहे जनरलाइज्ड एपिलेप्सीमधलाच लास्ट पॉईंट, दॅट इज ॲटोनिक टाईप ऑफ एपिलेप्सी. सो इन धिस टाईप ऑफ एपिलेप्सी इट्स कन्सिस्ट ऑफ a sudden and general loss of muscle tone, and particularly in the arm and legs, which is often result in fall. Okay, so in a such atonic type of epilepsy, generally loss of muscles tone. Okay, muscles loses its tonicity. This is all about clonic, tonic and atonic type of epilepsy. Then second and main class of epilepsy, that is partial type of epilepsy, also known as focal type of epilepsy. In such a case, the seizures occurs when a person experiences a disturbance in their brain's normal activity. Okay, when any person experiences a disturbance in their brain's activity, brain's normal activity, and the brain communicates via electrical signal. So when these signals are disrupted, a person can have a seizure. Okay, seizure किंवा epilepsy आपण कधी कन्सिडर करू शकतो, जर ब्रेनचं फंक्शन्स आहे किंवा इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स फॉर्म करण्याचे, इम्पल्सेस फॉर्मेशन करण्यासाठी जर डिस्टर्बन्स क्रिएट झाला असेल किंवा ब्रेन्स डज नॉट वर्क्स इट्स नॉर्मल फंक्शन, देन the persons have a seizure असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. So in case of partial or focal type of epilepsy, there are two main types or two subdivisions, that are simple partial and complex partial. So in case of simple partial seizure, the convulsions or attacks are confined to a group of muscles or localized sensory disturbance depending on area of cortex involved in the seizure, but loss of consciousness may not be occurs in case of simple partial seizure. Okay, and it occurs for one half to 1 minute. Okay. And partial epilepsy, second subdivision of this partial type of epilepsy is a complex partial seizure. In such a case, the it also known as temporal lobe epilepsy. Okay, partial epilepसीचा सेकंड सबडिव्हिजन आहे की कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्शियल सीझर, त्यांना सिमिलर अनदर नेम आहे, दॅट इज टेम्पोरल लोब epilepsy. In such a type of epilepsy, the attacks of blizzards and confused behavior may be occurs, and the movements that are like jerky movements also occurs, and emotional changes or emotional behavior becomes changed for last up to 1 to 2 minutes, along with impairment of consciousness. Okay, so as compared to generalized epilepsy, in case of partial seizure, loss of consciousness, पेशंटची लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेसवरती जास्त काही अफेक्ट होत नाही. ठीक आहे. दिस इज द all about partial epilepsy. And in case of partial seizures, it may involve head turning, eye movements, lip smacking, mouth movements, drooling, rhythmic muscle contraction in the part of body, and apparently purposeful movements and abnormal numbness, tingling, and crawling sensation over the skin. So these all the symptoms are seen in the partial type of epilepsy. Okay, here we totally discuss about what is the concept of epilepsy, what are the types or symptoms, causes or etiology behind the epilepsy, and what are the various types of epilepsy. Okay, so there are 60% of epileptic seizures are focal type of seizures. Then 20% of people are experience non-epileptic seizures, and 30% of people are experience or suffers with the generalized type of seizure.